Alexander. Why are you so loud? You need some crunchies? You have to push your crunchy button. Here, let's get the crunchies. Oh my gosh. So loud. I'm getting the crunchies. Now come on, you have to press your crunchy button. Come on, buddy. Come on. Not really, she doesn't have to press the button. Here's your button. Push your button for crunchies. Look, you remember? Crunchy button.
Crunchies.
Oh my gosh. I didn't even help. That was a total accident, but it still counts, buddy. It counts. Good little boys get crunchies in the morning when they press their button. Good boy.